In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PowerPoint presentation into a video using Canva. This is a fantastic way to share presentations as videos, making them more dynamic and easier to distribute across various platforms. Let's dive in and see how you can effortlessly transform your PPT into a video with just a few clicks. First, let's get started by heading over to your Canva dashboard. Once you're there, the initial step is to locate the Upload option. This is usually found on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Go ahead and click on the Upload button. This action will prepare Canva to receive files from your computer. Next, you'll need to click on Upload Files. By doing this, Canva opens a window that allows you to navigate through your computer's files. You should now select the PowerPoint file that you wish to convert into a video. Once you've pinpointed your file, click Open, and your file will begin the upload process. At this point, a little patience is required. Depending on the size of your file, the upload may take a few moments, so just give it some time to complete. Now that your file is uploaded, it's ready for the next step. On the Canva interface, click on your recently uploaded file. This action lets Canva know that this is the file you're working with and want to convert into a video format. With your file selected, the next thing you need to do is navigate to the Share button located around the top right corner of the Canva interface. Once you click on Share, you'll see various options pop up. From these choices, you will select Download. This is where you start the conversion process. When the Download panel is visible, you'll notice several options for downloading formats. Change the file type to MP4 video. This is essential because MP4 is a widely supported video format that's compatible with most devices and platforms. After selecting MP4, you can go ahead and click on Download. Finally, your download will begin. You might find that this takes a bit of time, especially if your presentation is substantial or packed with visual content. You'll want to wait until it's fully downloaded before you try to access or share it. And voila, you've converted your PowerPoint presentation into a video using Canva. This straightforward process opens up new possibilities for presenting your information in an engaging video format. Whether you're gearing up for a big presentation, or simply want to share your slides in a more dynamic way, having your presentation in a video format can make all the difference. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made the process easy and clear for you. Enjoy creating your videos.